In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to add a hyperlink to an image. Choose your design, go ahead and create an image you would like. And as I said, this tutorial is pretty straightforward. For example, I would like this to go for a YouTube video about fitness, for example. Let's just search fitness right here. And then I'm just gonna copy this link. Okay, if I would like to actually, first of all, make this take to a link, I will have to actually find the right thing here. What I mean by the right thing is the following. I would just actually like to choose, you would not like to choose a text or an image to do so. You would like to choose something that's clickable, something that's call to action rather. The join now button is the perfect example. Heading on the top right corner, I'm gonna find a link button. I'm gonna paste my link here, and then I'm gonna be done. I can even choose this for the outer, as it's kind of part of the thing. I can even test if the link is working correctly by going to the link, and it does. I'm gonna click on done, and then I'll be able to download my image by going to the top right corner, click on download. But keep in mind, if I actually use PNG or JPEG, the link is not gonna work. But if I use PDF, which I'm going to show you right now, the link is going to work properly. Let's open our PDF right here. And yeah, as you can see, this is how it works. Thanks for watching and goodbye.